These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides in which we see dots, and we refer to these as pips. One of the ways in which I can use the dominoes is to make a fraction to work with. In this case, I want to multiply a fraction by a natural number. So I'm going to select this domino, and I'm going to read it as 3/4. Then I'm going to take a die, and I'm going to roll it, and I'm going to use that as my natural number. So here I've rolled a 4. I will record this expression. Now what I want to do is I want to model it using fraction circles to help me figure out the answer. So I'm going to start by showing 3/4. So there's my 3/4. Now I need 4 of those. So there's 2 times 3/4, 3 times 3/4, and 4 times 3/4. Now, in order to find the answer, I want to make as many whole fraction circles as I can. And this is going to work out to 3 whole fraction circles. So now I can go back to my expression, 3/4 times 4, and I know that it equals 3. So here's one way in which we can use the dominoes to create a fraction, to multiply by a natural number, and then model it to find out the answer.